Online booking for OPD service at Goa Medical College will begin from February 4th. Patients will now be able to book their OPD slots online by registering through mobile OTP. The system will automatically fetch patients' detail using DDSSY or ABHA cards, making the process quicker and paperless. A one-time registration fee has been fixed at 100 rupees for Indian nationals, while foreigners patient will have to pay 250 rupees. Initially, slots will be open for the first 7 days. For the later dates, bookings will close at 5 p.m. on the previous day. Health Minister Viswajit Rane says the move is aimed at reducing queues, cutting waiting time, and streamlining patient flow at the state's largest medical facility. More details are expected to be released as the rollout begins.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.